Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this 3-bedroom terrace property over on Cambrai, Crescent over in Winton. So to the front you can see we've got off-road parking for multiple cars. And as we head on through you'll see the property is beautifully presented all the way throughout, ready for you to pack your bags and move in. So to the front here we've got the living area with the stairs over to the right. Got this gorgeous space, log burner there. Massive window letting loads of natural lighting. Show you from this angle. Fantastic space in here. Ceiling spotlights over to the side and then through to the open plan kitchen diner. Got this modern kitchen, beautifully presented. Space for a freestanding fridge freezer. Got the gas hob. An extra window there for more light, ceiling spotlights, and the dining area over to the side. Now as we head onto the back, you'll see this massive garden, really quiet, not overlooked at all. Got the decked area to the front, and summer house to the back. It's a huge space back here, it does get the sun all day. I'll just walk to the back so you can see how much space there is. Fantastic size. Show you from this angle. And you have got a gate to the side for further access. Now as we head on upstairs you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms and a 3-piece family bathroom. Ample storage throughout the property. Got the spotlights on the stairs and a window at the top, so it is really bright and airy up here. So to the front here we've got the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but again it's still a fantastic space, currently used as a bit of a walk-in wardrobe, dressing area. Would be used as the 3rd bedroom. We've got the 3-piece family bathroom, which again really modern. Lovely space in there. Got the 2nd bedroom here, which again is a double bed, currently used as a bit of an office and spare bedroom. And through to the master bedroom. Got this beautiful space in here. Loads of room for furniture, wardrobe space. Got a big window at the front, so it's nice and bright again. This property is ideal for first-time buyers or investors alike, with the location being so close to all the transport links. You are just a stone's throw away from Monton Village. It's on a really quiet, peaceful road with ample parking. So if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.